Alright guys, got my mask on. Today is the farm day and I'm recording from the inside because I felt a little creepy walking around the yard trying to do a video. So I am going to walk out and show you what it's like. We changed up the parking.
Hey, welcome to Family Farm Day, October 4th, 2020.
I had to do the video in the beginning because I felt weird talking to people out here. Oh yeah. Christine's table. The turnout has been awesome.
I was gonna say.
Really neat to see all the kids enjoying the farm.
Go to Nana's, okay?
Thank you. Hi. How are you? Good. Have you guys tried our products before? No. No, this is our honey